Is this a drop over here? Alright, I think we got our first round.
Handles forward now.
Let's go.
For a wind-blowing look, push those handles forward now.
Let's go. Go, 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 go. Alright, let's get some speed. Let's go. Oh yeah! Woo! We got some Halloween decorations going. Oh, we got a tunnel! Oh, let's slow down. We gotta wait right here for the light. Is it green? Oh, look at the clown. I'm not talking about myself either. That's cool. They got fog machines too. Time for our second lift hill. Let's go! Monster! Bye-bye! Oh, I see a little punny hill right here. Let's get some air time. Let's go! No! Whee! Whoa! Trim brakes on the turn. Woohoo! Oh, yeah! Oh, picture. Slow down into the tunnel. Alright, this is 3 4 hills. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it. It's like blue fountain water. That's cool. Big skeleton monster there too. That's cool. I like that. That'd be a cool experience. On a mountain coaster, a Halloween haunt? European European bears. Is that bear peeing right there? Get ready, full speed ahead. And there's Nikki. See you later. Whee! Woohoo! Oh yeah, let's get some speed. Let's go. Let's go. Here comes a turn. Oh! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Helix. Oh, a massive helix. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! And the cool party lights. Let's get some laterals. Oh, let's go. Ah, oh, slow down. Final lift hill. Every time. Where's Mickey? We lost Mickey. there she is. Alright, final lift go. Either way, it'll be a good time. Oh, we're going through a cool looking tunnel. Oh, this is through the rock. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Tunnel! Oh, another big helix. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice views looking out on the street. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, trim brakes. Trim brakes on a mountain coaster. Final helix. Okay, and there you have it. Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. It's pretty good.